So guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a giant cookie paper squishy. Let's get on with the video. If you notice I'm sniffing like that, it's just because I have a cold. Not this pandemic though, don't worry. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw out, first thing you're going to do is draw out your design, and all we are going to do is do that circle. There we go. Do a circle, and now we're going to do the design. So for the design, we're just going to do some, and I'm going to be stuffing it with memory foam. You can get this. You can get this from memory foam mattress, or you can just order it online. I got this from Mattress, I think it was. It's either a mattress or a pillow. But yeah, and then what you'll need is paper, pencils, things to colour it, and crayons, pens, markers, Sharpies, whatever, tape, and scissors. So yeah. Oh, and also something to stuff it with. I'm going to be combining it with stuffing and a bit of memory foam. I got actually pretty much a lot. But yeah, here's a memory foam. So yeah. On about Sunday afternoon, I will be doing my first squishy decker, because on Saturday I'm going to Hobbycraft to get some puffy paint. If they have it there, I'll be doing it. So the next thing we're going to be doing is choosing the colour, and I think I might be remaking one of my squishies. This one just is this Halloween cookie. So yeah, cookie. So we're gonna need some of these circles, orange. If you want me to do a tutorial on how I made this one, it has no paint, but you have to get like fluorizing memory. No, otherwise it will not work. Excuse me. It's like a car. Oh, it's a motorbike. Excuse me. I'm gonna keep this just to see how we do it. So yeah, by the way, also pink daisies. Can we do a collab? Can we do a collab, please? Yeah. If you're watching this, can we do a collab? Because, or can comment down below if anybody who has a YouTube channel, comment down below if we can do a collab about squishies or paper squishies, or just any collab. Like it could be making slime. I think I could do that. I don't know. I have to check. And yeah, I just want to show you what I'm using. I'm using these Crayola orange. Then for the purple sprinkles, I'm using this Faber-Castell whiteboard. Yeah, it is a whiteboard pen, but I'm going to be making a chocolate cookie because I love chocolate cookies. And also I'm doing a Q&A, so comment down below some questions. But yeah, this is the memory foam. This is just like the normal memory foam. So yeah, I'm gonna go quick because my tea is gonna be, well, I think my dinner is gonna be ready soon. So yeah. By the way, This is one of my other cookie paper squishies. I don't know why, I was thinking one day, what paper squishy haven't I made? And I actually have never made a cookie paper squishy. It's actually, this is not stuffed with memory. This was not stuffed with memory foam, if you can see. And then I also wanted to show you another memory foam squishy. This one. This one. And as I was showing you there, it has memory foam inside. See that? But yeah. Oh, there we go. There's a memory foam, and yeah, it's a rainbow because I'm doing the rainbow series. So these two. Right, I'm gonna stop showing you that. We're gonna get back to paper squishies. I always get distracted, but because I'll be doing a paper squishy collection soon, so that's why I need to make some more. Because most of the ones you've seen, but you haven't seen any of these ones. These are my jumbo. Well, you might have seen them in my last video. I think I might post this one first. So yeah, if you notice in my next video that I'm this one's really crinkled. If you notice in my next video, I'm in my pajamas, really fluffy ones to relax on. Don't worry, it's not from today or Sunday or Saturday. It's just because I'm posting that, and I still have to edit it because when I went to grab some tape to fix it, one of the squishy, one of the clips, just wanted to, you saw my belly, my tummy. So yeah. So guys, Sorry guys, I just had to go for my tea. So yeah. I didn't do any colouring off camera. So yeah. By the way, I'm thinking about using a new editing app. I don't really know. It's called PixArt. And my friend Annie Sweetie Pie TV uses PixArt, and her editing is super good. Yeah. By the way, so yeah. I'm thinking using PixArt. By the way, go subscribe to Annie Sweetie Pie TV because she's turning. She's her best. She. This like a phone. I can't talk. Go subscribe to Annie Sweetie Pie TV because she's such a good YouTuber. And if you ever see, oh, she's about to hit about 30 subscribers, I think it is. I'm just shaping this memory foam because even if I'm not doing anything with it, I really like to shape it. I love to shape things, so yeah. I just got to, some people wonder, how do you shape how do you get the memory foam inside the squishy? Because I was asked that. One of my friends asked me that, how do you get the memory foam inside the paper squishy? So basically, what I do is I just cut it up into little pieces, like this. I just cut it up. So yeah, that's why I shape it, because I like so shape it because I can put I can put some of these, as people call them, scrap pieces of memory foam inside the squishy, but yeah, here's the shaped piece. So yeah, this is like called the scrap. So like more when I get more like better in squishies, and like when I get a load of puffy paint, yeah, I'll just do that. I'm gonna carry on colouring this in time lapse. This time lapse will be over here because I'm gonna be watching my TV as well. I might put it like, here we go. I'll put it right here instead. So yeah, let's get on with the time lapse. So basically I'm just colouring in the squishy, the brown bits, and I'm swapping pens every time because my pens are running out because I've had these for like a year and a half. Then one of my pen lids drops and I could not find it, so that pen's probably going to run out with ink, and I'm almost finished with this colouring. See ya! Guys, if you saw in that time lapse, I'm actually going to keep the camera here so we're in a really good position, but as you saw in that time lapse, I've already done it. So now we're going to take our tape and put tape all over the squishy. We're just going to tape it all up. So yeah, see you then. I'm going to tape it up in time lapse. So I'm just taping it up, putting all the tapes. I just want to say this. On to the next one. That was the last time lapse for it. That is going to be the last bed up part. But now what we're gonna do, what I do is while I'm cutting it, so I don't like lose it, like lose the space, because that makes me really angry. I tape it together while I'm doing it. Like I did in Hello Kitty Donut, like his Hello Kitty Donut, and I was super proud of it. Because Hello Kitty Donut, by the way, is my dream squishy. So yeah, I'm gonna. So I'm saving up to buy one off eBay. So yeah. I think either, yeah, eBay or Amazon. I really hope I can get one off Amazon, because with Amazon, my mom has Amazon Prime. So basically, yeah, my mom has Amazon Prime, so we can get this day delivery, next day delivery, whatever it's called. 3 days, yeah. Next day delivery. So yeah, we're also going to put tape on the back, but not right this second. And also, when you're taping it, you need to leave a hole in the top or bottom, whatever you prefer. I think so. Got one more part to do. This part, this bottom piece, and now we're gonna take our memory foam and stuff the memory foam inside. So I'm just gonna rip some pieces off. I'm gonna cut some pieces off. You don't put in like a whole piece, I just put in a bunch of little pieces. This is gonna be a full memory foam squishy, I decided. I'm just going to put little bits in, not this like giant chunk over here. And if it fits, we'll put this giant bit. And then, now we're going. And also memory foam's good because if there's a bit sticky sticking at the top, it will not get stuck to your tape, because if that's one of my struggles, like if I put like quite a lot in, it's not about squishy or sterilizing, it's just because if you space out your memory foam, like you split it up in tiny pieces instead of doing what I did at the top, putting a whole chunk, it will be sterilizing because that chunk will just stay there. But yeah. So going to take this up. Now I'm just gonna, because if your memory foam is sterilizing, if you're using memory foam, you do not need any air pocket. You do not need any at all. So, and now I'm just going to I'm gonna just take the back of his, the front. Pretty sterilizing, but it depends. Like, look, it does make it more better if you also put toy stuffing, and like I said, the first bit you space out the memory foam into bits. This is just a very like rush one. Like the colouring is not good. The colouring on it isn't that good because I was just rushing. But yeah. Sorry guys about the background noises, but yeah. The good thing about like paper squishies is because one, they're super easy to make, and you can find other stuff around your house. Two, the only way they can get defective is by rips. But thing is with like squishies, by squishing them, with paper squishies, sorry. Thing about rips I wanted to say about with paper. I'm just so here's the result. It's not about sterilizing. Yeah, I have this bit. So I'll just put that in my homemade squishy box. Yes, I have a box of my homemade squishies. but that will be in my next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and press that notification bell, or at least if you can just like, please, because this is going to take me a lot of editing. Bye guys. I just wanted to say this has took me half an hour to edit. Why I'm in the bathroom is because with my voiceovers it has like a really good sound, and yeah. Bye.